Welcome to the Ultimate Design Showdown. In 2025, the graphic design world is more powerful and competitive than ever. From AI-fueled tools to pro-level software, the big question is, which one should you use? Whether you're a total beginner, a creative entrepreneur, or a design veteran, this video will help you pick the perfect tool for your style, workflow, and future goals. Let's jump in. Still sitting on the throne in 2025, Adobe Creative Cloud is the go-to for serious creatives. Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, you name it. These tools give you insane creative control and are used by top brands, agencies, and freelancers worldwide. Yes, it's pricey. Yes, the learning curve is steep. But if you aim for elite design skills and professional-grade work, Adobe still leads the pack. Canva continues to crush it in 2025. Especially with its AI design assistant that helps whip up polished visuals in seconds. Want to design viral Instagram posts, pitch decks, YouTube thumbnails, or even merch? Canva's drag-and-drop simplicity, massive template library, and team-friendly features make it perfect for creators on the go. It's not built for heavy-duty design, but for speed and style? Canva wins big. Figma has gone next level in 2025. Whether you're designing apps, websites, or full digital systems, Figma gives you real-time collaboration, cloud editing, and seamless prototyping. It's modern, sleek, and the darling of UI/UX teams worldwide. If your focus is digital design, Figma is the no-brainer pick. Fast, functional, and future-ready. Say goodbye to monthly payments. Affinity Designer offers a one-time purchase and delivers a punch with powerful vector and raster tools. In 2025, it's more refined than ever, ideal for freelancers, students, or creatives who want pro-level design tools without breaking the bank. You get full control, no internet required, and a smooth design experience that keeps up with the best. Print isn't dead, it just found its champion. CorelDRAW still rocks in 2025 for packaging, signage, and high-res branding work. CorelDRAW gives you precise vector tools and layout options if you're designing business cards, posters, or full-scale retail graphics. It may not be trendy, but it's still a beast in the print world. AI tools like Visme, Luca, and Designs.ai are exploding in 2025. Need a logo in minutes? A brand kit on the fly? These platforms are fast, intuitive, and great for small businesses or anyone short on time. They're not a match for custom, high-detail work, but for quick, stylish results with minimal effort. AI is your new best friend. So, which one is right for you? Let's break it down. Go Adobe if you're chasing excellence and career-level design. Choose Canva if you want quick, clean designs without the hassle. Figma is necessary if you're diving into UI/UX or team-based digital projects. Affinity is your ally if you want pro tools with a one-time price tag. CorelDRAW is built for the print-heavy pros. And AI tools? Perfect for fast results and rapid branding on a budget. So, which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Stay ahead with the latest advancement in technology and innovation. Visit our website to learn more, and don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for our latest updates.